Hi, I'm Linda Weaver, a business advisor at the IMC. I'm here today with Glenn Salzman, and we're going to be taking a tour of his building and finding out how you make modular homes.
My name is Marty Sickle. I am one of the Vice President of Sales at Integrity Building System. Integrity Building System is a modular home manufacturer. We do supply product to different markets, whether it's single family, multifamily, or light commercial. You know, as a company and as owners, we look at our product and what we can build, and really there are no limitations what we can build. Through the 12 years that we've been building modular homes, that the range of product has started from like 1,000 square foot ranch to 56 unit multifamily in the city of Philadelphia. We've also expanded our product to assistant living units and, as I mentioned earlier, light commercial.
The order is released for production, and at that time also it's released to our engineering department, who will draw up specific drawings for each process for the production process or for the actual building of the home. The first drawing that's completed will be for our floor assembly area. The floors are built into a floor jig, which keeps everything square. After that process is completed in the plant, it'll go to our wall assembly areas. They'll have drawings again provided by engineering. They'll build the walls or assemble the walls based on those prints, and then after the walls are assembled, they'll set them on the floor as it's moving down the assembly line. After the walls are completed, at that time the ceilings are being assembled again based on drawings provided by engineering, and then the ceiling will be set in place once it gets to that stage. After the ceiling setters are completed, we'll move to the next station, which is installing insulation and also installing our exterior sheeting, installing roof sheething, and then at that time shingling and putting exterior house wrap and siding on the exterior wall. The next station will go to, again, we're moving down the process today on air casters through the assembly line. It'll go to our drywall department, where they will be doing interior finish work, which is spackling the drywall. And after the drywall is spackled, then we do actually 3 coats. They'll sand and they'll paint the drywall. After the painting process is done, they'll get in there and they'll install kitchen cabinets, or bath vanities, interior moldings, interior doors, and on the outside during that process, we're installing windows and exterior doors. After those items are installed, we'll install the final finish as far as the casing and base moldings, the trim work. While this is going on, up above them, we're installing the shingles on the roof. And after the shingles on the roof are installed, we'll actually wrap the house with plastic tarp, which will keep it weather protected until it's finished on site in the foundation. The next station that we'll move to will be our final finish station. At that station, we'll raise the unit into the air with our lifting jacks. We'll back a carrier underneath the unit and then place it down on the carrier, lag it to the carrier, and then pull it out into what we call our yard, which is where we'll do our final touch-up out in the natural daylight, which will give us a better idea of our overall finish. During the whole process, we have inspectors going, checking the unit out. Every station, one of our employees will be responsible to inspect the house, making sure it meets codes and quality up to our standards. And that'll happen throughout the process. In addition to that, before any one of our homes ship, while it's out in the yard, one of us owners will do a walkthrough to make sure it meets our standards. And then if it does, the house is ready to go and we'll ship it. If it doesn't, we'll have our employees go back through and fix the areas that didn't meet our standards.
Well, thank you, Glenn. I really appreciate the time you and your staff spent with us today. It was great seeing your whole facility and how you make modular homes. And if you'd like to learn more about Integrity Building, you can visit their website at www.integritybuild.com.